In this video, I am going to show you how you can check the SQLite database or room database, the details, whatever your app has. So I will first I have created one user table which saves the name and age and ID. I have made it as auto implemented. I have used the database. I have given the database as name as user table. So I have not started the app. So here you can go to app inspector and you can go select the device. So there is no app is not showing, so I'll just launch the app. You can see my mobile screen. So now you can see the app is launched, and I have selected the same app inspector, and I will select my device. So you can see here now the database inspector is connected with the database. So now it is saying nothing to show, so I'll enter few details here. So if your app already has the details, so it will reflect it instantly. It will show the user database name and table name. So I will enter name as Purushottam, and I will enter age as 29, and I will save this. So I did save, and you can see here when I will use load user data, so name and age is showing. So you can see here nothing has come. So again I will start this. I will stop this inspector, and I will select the device again, device and the app package name. So now you can see here whatever the user database like I have used in the code, and that user table is there. You can see here Purushottam and name and age as 29, and one record is there. So I'll enter one more record. I will enter son, and age I will give as 26, and I will save the user. So I have saved the user, and I will load here. So now you can see here it is reflecting. So to reflect it here, you have to refresh this. You can see here refresh table. So I'll refresh this. I click here. So now you can see two record is showing. So if you want to see the live data, so you can click check mark this live updates. I have check marked it. So now we don't have to refresh again and again. It will reflect instantly. I will enter name as Divya, and age I will put as 25, and I will save this. So now you can see here it came instantly here, and now we don't have to enter anything like refresh anything. And here also I will load this. So here also it is reflecting. So it works with the both room database and the SQLite database. So here now you can query also using this. You can see here open new query tab. So and here you have to select the your database, and I will in query as delete. I will delete all the users. So I'll type delete from users. So this is the query I'm running. So you can see here the total statement was run successfully. The statement run successfully. So you can see here there is no data. So I will load here. So here also there is no data. I will enter my name again. I will enter the name, and I will enter the data again, and I will save it. So now you can see here one data it came. So ID got implemented to 4 because we deleted the old data, and I will enter again. Now I will load here. So you can see here I have loaded. So here also I will refresh. So now it's coming, and you can like type more queries like select star from user where id equal to 4. So you can search by id, you can search by name. So one record because like id 4 has only one record, or you can type age or age equal to 26. So I think one record we have that. So different query will work here. So this is how you can debug your app if you have more tables, and if there is any data missing, and if API response you want to check if you have that present in the local database. So this is all about the how you can check the like local save details in your app. So now I will show you how you can check the shared preferences key value pair. Now you can see my screen. So I have run the app with the shared preferences. It has key value. So if you will save the key value pair, it will be saved, and you can check in the like device. So now before this, I will just show you the device manager. So here you can check, go to not device manager, device explorer. So here I will close this. So here you will have to go to your data, then again go to data, then you have to select like search for your package name. So I'll select my package name. So here is my package name. I have selected com.yesandroid.youtube tutorial. So here you can see there is shared preferences table. So here when I opened it, I think there is nothing activity threads there is no shared preferences. I have saved it here. So now I will do, I will have closed that device explorer. I will close this. So now I will save one key value pair. I will put key as name, and value I will give name. So now I will save this. So that key is name and value is Purushottam. So here my shared preferences is the like shared preferences name I have given. So I'll go to the device explorer again. I will select this device. So now it got refresh it. You can see here synchronize. You can click that also. And you go to database data actually, not the database data. Then again data. And again you have to select your package name. So I'll go down. I will select my package name. So here is my package name, and I will go to shared preferences again. So here you can see that my shared preferences that name has come here, and when I click double click here, so one page has opened it here. You can see here name is showing. Name is the key and Purushottam is the value. So I'll show you one more thing. I will just add one more thing. ID. I have put ID. ID this you can give in a small letter also. I will put ID as a number. So this is the number. So I will save this. So this got saved, but here it won't reflect instantly like this. You have to check again, close this and open this again, and you just do refresh here and you open this. I will minimize this. So when I will double click this, so it will open, and you can see here that ID is reflecting. After refreshing only, like it will reflect here. So I'll show you one more thing. I will give. So here you don't have access to delete it from here only. So I'll give the key. I'll give. So here this is used for mainly saving the like user detail or the token or anything. So mostly which is used most of the time in the app. So it is saved in the shared preferences, and which is used many places in the app. So I'll give key as 123 ABC. So this is the key. I will save this. So it got key and value is 123 ABC. So here it will reflect. So I have refreshed this again and I will click on this. So here it has come. You can see here key 123 ABC. So this is how you can check the key value pair in your mobile application. So you go to device explorer and you here you have to go data and your package name. Then you go to the your shared preferences name, whatever you have given. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.